Hello. Today we'll explore the simple past, but this time we'll focus on regular and irregular verbs. We'll learn how to conjugate them, the grammatical rules, and how to pronounce them. We're going to start with the regular verbs. To use the regular simple past verbs, we have to add ed at the end of the specific base form verbs, but we have to follow some rules to do it correctly. For some verbs, you just have to add ed at the end, like watch, watched, walk, walked, start, started. For other verbs, you have to eliminate the letter y, add an I, and add the ending ed. For example, try, tried, cry, cried. For some verbs, we have to duplicate the final consonant if we have a single vowel, like in stop, stopped, shop, shopped. In the simple past, some verbs have to change everything when we need them in their past form. Other ones do not change, but their pronunciation is different. Let's see examples of verbs that we have to change them, like buy, bought, get, got, begin, began, break, broke. We do not have a specific rule when the verbs are irregular. We have to memorize them. Now, let's see examples of verbs that stay the same, like cut, cut, read, read, bet, bet, hurt, hurt. These verbs stay the same, but in cases like in read, the pronunciation has to change in order to differentiate the present tense of the past tense. But also we have verbs like cut that have the same pronunciation and the same writing. In the English language, we have a lot of different pronunciations. With the ending ed, we have 3 different possibilities. Let's see them. The first way is ID. The ed ending adds an extra syllable to words when pronounced. ID, which is more generally an unpronounced sound, in other words, the schwa sound. This pronunciation is used when ed is added to words ending with either 8 or d sound. Some words that use this sound are wanted, needed, hated, visited, and decided. We also have the sounds t and d. If the word before ed ends in the sounds t, f, s, ch, shish, k, then ed is pronounced t. For all other words, ed is pronounced as d. Some verbs that use the sound t are baked, kissed, and fixed. On the other hand, for the sound d are played, loved, and used. Thank you for watching. Remember that you have to practice the irregular verbs and your pronunciation.